Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to configure Unity for Android development step by step. I'm using Unity 6, and this setup works perfectly for beginners. Let's start. First, open Unity Hub. On the left side, you'll see an option called Installs. Click on that. In the center of the screen, under the All section, you'll see your installed Unity versions. In my case, I have Unity 6 installed. Below your installed Unity version, you'll see a list of platforms such as Web and Windows. Since I already have Android build support installed, you can see Android listed here. For most of you, Android might not be visible yet. On the right side of the Unity version, click on Manage. Once you click on it, select Android build support. By default, OpenJDK and Android SDK and NDK tools will already be checked. Do not change anything here. Just install them. Once the installation is finished, you'll see Android listed under your Unity version. That means Android support is successfully installed. Now let's create an Android project. Go to Projects and click on New Project. Select any template you want. I'm selecting Universal Render Pipeline, or URP. On the right side, enter your project name. I'll name it Testing Android, and then click Create Project. Once the project opens, look at the top left corner of the Unity editor. You'll see your project name, followed by the scene name, and then the platform name. By default, the platform will be Windows. Now we'll change it to Android. Go to File, then click on Build Profiles. On the left side, you'll see different platforms. Select Android. On the bottom right corner, click Switch Platform. This process will take some time, so just wait. Once it's done, look at the top left again. You should now see Android instead of Windows after your scene name. Now let's configure Android settings. Go to Project Settings, then click on Player. At the top, you'll see Company Name and Product Name. You can change these according to your project. If you scroll down to the Identification section, you'll see Package Name. The naming format should be com.yourcompany.name.yourgame-name. Since I don't have a company name, I'll just use a random name here. Below that, you'll find minimum API level and target API level. You can use these to control which Android versions your game supports. It's best to leave target API level set to automatic, highest installed. Now your Android setup is complete. To build an APK, go back to Build Profiles and click on Build. Choose a folder where you want to save the file. Unity will now start building your APK. This may take some time depending on your project. Once the build is finished, you'll find the APK file in the selected folder. And that's it. You've successfully configured Unity 6 for Android and built your first APK. In the next videos, we'll learn the basics of Unity and start creating games from scratch. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.